Good morning to all of you.
Ma'am, can I make my video after classes?
Yes, beta, you have not made till now.
Yes, ma'am, I will send today.
Yes, okay, fine. And what about others? What are others doing? I want to know from each and every student. All of you open your cameras first. Harsh, Pratyaksh, Rishabh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. All of you open your cameras. Stuti, have you prepared the video of your dance? You were telling that you will prepare a dance.
Ma'am, I am not prepared a video, but today I have prepared my video.
Today you will prepare. Okay. Stuti will prepare today. Good morning, beta. Stuti will prepare today. And who? Pratyaksh will prepare it today. Pratyaksh, you said that you will prepare it today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. What about Rishabh, Harsh, Atharv Singh?
Ma'am, which video?
Beta, on Independence Day, you have to do something. You have to show something.
Ma'am, I will show. Ma'am, I will make a one flag model.
You will make a flag model, but you also have to speak a few lines. You can speak,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, you can say anything on this thing, the independence slogans or any small speech, anything
Yes,
you like.
ma'am. I will ready that thing.
I'm writing everybody's name, what everybody will do. To Pratyaksh and Harsh, I have written your name. Rishabh, what will you do?
Ma'am, I will show. Ma'am, I Pratyaksh. Ma'am, I will speak a poem.
You will speak a poem. Very nice. Very good. Okay. Yes, Rishabh.
Ma'am, I will show and speak the slogan.
Okay. Very good. You can also dress up like a freedom fighter and speak a few lines.
But ma'am, I have not read.
Yes, if you don't have any dress, no need to be dressed up like one. But if you have something of that sort, of any freedom fighter, then you can dress up like a freedom fighter and speak a few lines. Stuti, what are you showing on the camera, beta? It is looking so beautiful.
Ma'am, in Independence Day, I have made.
Very nice, very beautiful.
Ma'am,
You can make a model, see what, like how she has made, and you can stand behind it or stand with it and speak a few lines on Independence Day. Manas, what are you going to do? Manas, Vikas, Devansh, Dhruv, Nandini, so many students are left. You have to tell what are you going to speak on Independence Day.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I craft and I give a speech on Independence Day.
You will give speech? Okay, very nice. Very good. And what about you, Athar?
Ma'am, I will not do nothing.
You will not?
Ma'am, he is saying that he will not.
You
No,
will
he
not
will
do
not do.
anything. Why,
Ma'am, I have.
why will you not do anything? Beta, just unmute yourself and tell me. Unmute, Athar. Don't sit like that. Yes, why will you not do anything? Tell me. You don't feel like? No, you don't feel like. Okay, you're not happy that India is an independent country now? Are you not happy about it? that,
I am happy.
that you are living in free India. Huh? You wanted to be ruled by Britishers? You still wanted to be ruled by Britishers?
Good morning, ma'am.
You should show it better if you're happy about it. See, you are living in a free country where you are free to do anything of your choice. So you should respect this thing, you should acknowledge this thing, you should regard this thing and do a little. Don't speak much. Please take a flag in your hand and speak few lines.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Speak few lines, 2 lines, 3 lines on free India. Okay, don't say, ma'am, I don't want to do.
Ma'am, I made this.
Very nice, very beautiful, Vikas. Wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Now Manas has to tell what will Manas do. See, everybody has shared their ideas. What they
Ma'am,
want. Yes.
ma'am, I will make the posters of Independence Day.
Very good. You will make a poster.
And about posters, I have speak few lines.
Very nice. You will speak a few lines. You can simply just say that Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August. It is a national holiday. Anything like that. Begin from there. Something as simple as this only. Okay? Sir, yes or no? What is the significance of this day? This day marks the end of British rule. We got independent in year 1947. These are simple lines, beta. You'll be able to do it. All of you will do it. Okay? Just take a little help from Google to speak a few lines. Tell your parents to help you a little, and by 7 o'clock in the evening, try to send your videos. Okay, Dhruv, what are you doing? What will Dhruv do? Tell me.
Ma'am, can we do the SST one?
We will do. What is the hurry? We will definitely do. And do you all know which Independence Day it is?
Ma'am, 75th.
Yes, 75th Independence Day. Okay, Shish, what will you do, beta? You have not sent any video.
No, I have not sent any video.
But what will you do, beta? You have to send it by 7 o'clock in the evening today. You joined the class late. Everybody is telling their ideas that what they're going to do. So I'm asking you what. Yes.
Sorry, ma'am, for being late. I was just about to join.
No problem.
But,
Tell me, what are you going to do?
ma'am, I'm
Yes.
on Independence Day.
Yes.
Ma'am, I will make cards and do some craft. And on Sunday, I will go to my parents' school.
Okay, that's fine. You will do some craft, and I also want you to make a small video holding that piece of craft. Whatever you will make, you will hold it and make a small video of only 1 minute and send it on the class group. Is that fine?
So, ma'am, what we have to speak in that video?
Beta, you can speak anything on Independence Day. Independence Day is on 15th of August every year in India. We got independent in year 1947. We got free from British rule. Anything on Independence Day.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you can speak about a few freedom fighters. You can paste pictures on your poster of a few freedom fighters and you can speak 2 lines on them. It should not be a video more than 1 minute. It can be just of 1 minute, but you have to do something. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone will do. Nandini and Yuvraj, Zoya, Devansh, all of you. I don't want anyone to say, ma'am, I have not sent. I could not send. Harsh Patel, are you listening? Everybody will do something or the other. You can take content from Google. You will find so much content. Just speak 4 or 5 lines. All right, now all of you take out your social studies copies. Till where have we done in social studies? Till which question have we done?
We have done the chapter number 7 complete. Not complete, we have not done detail. Answer the following question in detail.
Answer the following detail we have not done. Okay. Take out your copies. I'll share screen with you.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am of chapter, sorry, ma'am, of answer in brief. I have not done the answer number third, ma'am, because this meeting is over, so I am not completed. So, ma'am, please share only 5 minutes.
Okay, I will share screen
Of
only. I'm going
chapter 7.
there. Yes.
Last answer in brief, we have done that. Why can't we drink water from the ocean and the seas?
Why can't we drink water from oceans and seas?
Last question was that.
Okay, beta. Now write down the next question till I'll share screen with you.
Ma'am, but I have not done the answer number third. Ma'am, please share for 1 minute, ma'am, this answer.
That also, I will share that also. Don't worry. Till the screen is opening, it's buffering. Let me take your attendance. Just tell me, Zoya, you were present yesterday? Zoya was present yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Yuvraj Singh was present yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Who was not present yesterday? Those who have come today. Tell me, I'll just write present in all of your yesterday's attendance. Were you all present yesterday?
Yes, ma'am, I am present yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
Creative class. Tomorrow is the English creative class.
Beta, I'm talking about yesterday. Yesterday I was on leave. Yesterday I was on leave, so I don't know who was present, who was not.
Ma'am, I am not Sadhna Gawal, ma'am, and all here.
You were?
I am not the Sadhna Gawal, ma'am, class and all here.
Rest all classes you were present.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so here it goes. Children, in your devices also Zoom is creating a little problem these days.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Able to unmute or open video.
And ma'am, it does not let us join.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So many things.
I'm having too much of problems.
Yesterday I can't attend my first and second lecture.
And then I am also not able to unmute and open my video.
Okay, so here it is. Share screen. Why can't we drink water from the oceans and the seas? Start doing.
And the screen is not coming. Ma'am, it is still showing now, ma'am.
Okay, tell me, Anmol Singh was present yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
Araf Solanki was present?
Yes, ma'am.
Arpit Verma was present?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Avni,
No, ma'am.
Avni Verma
No,
was present.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Avni Verma.
Ma'am,
And Kanishka was present yesterday.
no, ma'am.
Kartik Kumar.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Ishti Mishra was present.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, she only came in 2-3 classes.
Okay. Sarthak Agarwal was present.
Yes, ma'am.
Shivansh was absent. Shivansh Gangwar is never present. Suprema is never present. Okay, what about Yajat Gangwar? He was there.
No, ma'am.
And Yashraj Singh.
No, ma'am.
Sorry, Yashraj.
ma'am.
All
No, ma'am.
right. Now do your work.
Then we have to start the answer under the brief questions.
Beta, you have done all the questions till this one. Answer the following in brief. If you have done, then start D.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, then you have to start the D exercise.
Ma'am, under it.
Yes, what are the different types of rivers? This one.
Ma'am, I am done.
Wait, let everybody do, then I'll change the screen.
Ma'am, please scroll up for a minute.
See,
Now, ma'am, it is okay.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Ma'am, I have also done.
can I change the screen?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Because
Okay, okay, do it. Do it, I'll change it after 2 minutes.
okay, ma'am.
Yashraj Mahajan is not attending his classes these days.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, ma'am, he is not attending.
And what about Yajat Gangwar?
No, ma'am, he is not attending these days.
Okay, I'm changing the screen now. Those who have not done, take a screenshot.
types of rivers are? Time. 1 minute, please wait. Ma'am, now I try to slow that rivers.
Pratyaksh, you were absent on 11th of August.
And what?
Were you absent on 11th of August?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, now I have done.
And I was not present from um
Wednesday, you were not present on Wednesday?
no, ma'am. I was present.
Okay, on all the days. Fine. Yes, done. Everyone has done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now I have done. Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am, please scroll down.
What do you want to do? Have you written too much?
And please send this on WhatsApp.
Okay, better.
Ma'am, please
I'm
zoom it.
disconnected.
Now it's fine.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to see question answer number 2.
Wait, better wait. Let everybody do. You're going too fast. Now you have to wait for others.
Ma'am, I have done till question number 2.
Ma'am, please scroll up for a minute.
Even I have sent the PDF of this chapter on class group. You can see from there also and do.
Ma'am, what is written after larger in answer number 2?
Larger expanses. EXPANSES.
Ma'am, how many questions we have to do in detail?
One question is left.
Beta, only 3 questions are there.
Ma'am, what is written in answer in the example of isthmus?
For example, Panama. PANAMA.
Ma'am, I have done till answer number 2.
Now write question 3.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done till question answer number 3.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes.
Number 2 was written up.
No, any that.
Ma'am, in answer
Beta, mute yourself. Who is not muted? Mute yourself.
ma'am, I am saying that
Yeah.
what is written after the in answer Question number 2. Channel of sea, ma'am. What is written after the joining or the going?
Beta, what are you saying? I don't understand anything.
Ma'am, in answer number 2, what is written after the sea? Channel of
Can anybody please solve her query? What is written?
No, ma'am, I am not able to hear.
Ma'am, he is asking like narrow.
I will read out the whole answer. A strait is a narrow channel of sea joining two larger expanses of water. For example, Park Strait. An isthmus is a narrow strip of land that connects two large bodies of land. For example, Panama.
Ma'am, written till
Okay,
answer
ma'am.
number.
This right. Oh, ma'am, this
Those
is
who have
the
written Those who have written this answer,
He is asking the example of isthmus.
for example, Panama, Panama. Those who have done this answer can do the next answer from the PDF because children are still on this screen.
Okay, ma'am. But ma'am, I've done answer number 3.
ma'am, I am sending chat.
There are 3. Ma'am,
Ma'am, I am sending chat box.
Yes, beta, there are only 3 questions.
Ma'am, I am sending chat box. Ma'am, I am sending chat box.
Now, can I change the screen?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done the 3rd one.
Those who have done the complete work can now underline like how I have underlined all important words in every answer.
Ma'am, I have done question number 3 also.
Ma'am, done.
All of you have done?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
ma'am, now my voice is coming.
Yes, it's coming.
Ma'am, what is written after the C in answer number 2?
After the C, which C? C, okay, joining. It is written joining.
Okay, ma'am, I am also sending in chat box.
Okay, but I have not seen from there. I didn't see it. You were
And ma'am, after
asking this before.
Ma'am,
Stuti is asking. Yes.
ma'am, what is written after the 2 layers? X
After the two
layers.
layer,
Sorry, ma'am, larger.
two
Sorry, ma'am,
larger
larger.
expanses of water. Two larger expanses of water.
Ma'am, done.
Better now, I will not give any new work because children are still doing this work and then there is no time left. You can underline the work that is done. Okay. Start underlining all the key points like how I have done.
I have done underlining.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning. I'll
Bye,
restart.
ma'am.
I'll restart the meeting. This is the previous class going on. Just wait. Bye to 4th B students.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.